Hello there! You're tuned in to Dear Crossover. Ako po si VJ Katz, and let's get to read what our Dear Crossover Kada's best experiences are. According to Joa, one of the best experiences was during the Valentine's special because the presentations were so cool and very entertaining. Of course, the word was amazing as well. Suggestion niya, relate tayo ng mga pictures or videos during the word because people are mostly visual learners. So thank you, Joa, for your suggestion. Being first-timer is so great. I'm happy to become part of Crossover, says Anton. Well, of course, mas happy kami na nakarating ka sa Crossover, Anton. Ang sabi naman ni Nika, sa mga oras na siya'y nalulungkot, ang Crossover ang nagsisilbing pamilya niya upang panghugutan ng kanyang inspirasyon. Napakasarap naman marinig sa iyo, Mika, na ang Crossover ay naging inspirasyon sa iyo. Ngayon, pag-iigihan namin ang aming mga programa upang maging inspirasyon sa lahat. And for our final Dear Crossover entry, here's E-Boy. Sabi ni E-Boy, it gives comfort the way the ushers accommodate me, though it's my first time. Ayan, ushers ha. So everyone, let's give a round of applause sa mga ushers natin. Wala ko marinig. Palakpakan naman dyan. Yan. Good job, ushers! And now, to those who recently come to Crossover, especially tonight, we want you to know na sobrang happy kami na nakarating kayo dito. That's why our lovely ushers and handsome ushers are here to give you something really special.